Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Which state is home to India's first national cooperative university? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Rajasthan, D. Odisha. Correct answer is B. Question number 2. Which cities in Madhya Pradesh have prohibited begging across all public places including giving alms? A. Bhopal and Indore, B. Gwalior and Ujjain, C. Rewa and Satna, D. Katni and Damoh. Correct answer is A. Question number 3. Which ministry has recently inaugurated the Rashtriya Karmyogi Jan Seva program? A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, C. Ministry of Personal Public Grievance and Pensions, D. Ministry of Education. Correct answer is B. Question number 4. Vikramshila University is located in which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Odisha. Correct answer is B. Question number 5. The Lok Sabha recently passed a bill to establish Tribhuvan Sahakari University in which state? A. Punjab, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Haryana. Correct answer is C. Question number 6. The Koch Rajbongsi community is primarily found in which region of India? A. Chota Nagpur Plateau, B. Western Ghats, C. Southern, D. Northeastern. Correct answer is D. Question number 7. Which institute has notified the recognition and grant of equivalence to qualifications obtained from Foreign Educational Institution Regulation 2025? A. Niti Aayog, B. University Grant Commission, C. All India Council for Technical Education, D. Indian Certificate of Secondary Education. Correct answer is B. Question number 8. The Sambha Vathal from which state has recently received a geographical indication tag? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Karnataka, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Question number 9. Which city in Maharashtra have achieved 100% safe segregation, collection and disposal of sanitary and biomedical waste? A. Kolhapur, B. Satara, C. Latur, D. Karad. Correct answer is D. Question number 10. Khadi and Village Industries Commissions operates under which ministry? A. Ministry of Textiles, B. Ministry of Rural Development, C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, D. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Correct answer is D. Question number 11. Which state government has launched the Tourism Security Force, also known as Paryatan Mitra, to improve tourist safety and boost tourism? A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Question number 12. Project Alankar is an educational reform initiative by which state government? A. Bihar, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is C. Question number 13. Which ministry has launched two transformative digital platforms known Your DigiPin and Know Your PIN Codes? A. Ministry of Finance, B. Ministry of Communication, C. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, D. Ministry of Defense. Correct answer is B. Question number 14. Which state government has launched the Ankur initiative to boost urban growth? A. Bihar, B. Odisha, C. Jharkhand, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question number 15. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment launched the Waste Picker Enumeration app under which scheme? A. Namaste Scheme, B. Swachh Bharat Mission, C. Amrut Scheme, D. Green India Mission. Correct answer is A. Question number 16. Which is the world's highest railway arch bridge that was recently inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India? A. Chenab Rail Bridge, B. Pamban Bridge, C. Howrah Bridge, D. Brahmaputra Rail Bridge. Correct answer is A. Question number 17. What is the name of the digital ocean data portal launched by India at the 3rd United Nations Ocean Conference? A. समुद्र, बी प्रकृति, सी साहब, डी सूर्या. Correct answer is C. Question number 18. Which state government has recently made Hindi a compulsory third language in all Marathi and English medium schools? A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Telangana, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. Question number 19. Where is India's first Vande Bharat maintenance depot located? A. Jodhpur, B. Indore, C. Varanasi, D. Patna. Correct answer is A. Question number 20. Which city has been selected as the national host for the 11th International Day of Yoga? A. Indore, B. Vishakhapatnam, C. Chennai, D. Kochi. Correct answer is B. Question number 21. Which state government has launched Majhi Vasundhara Campaign 6.0 to strengthen environmental conservation efforts? A. Telangana, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is B. Question number 22. The Ministry of Panchayati Raj located the Training of Trainers program under the banner of which national initiative? A. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, B. Make in India, C. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, D. Skill India Mission. Correct answer is C. Question number 23. Which ministry has launched the Adi Karmyogi program to bridge gap between tribal welfare policies and real implementation? A. Ministry of Rural Development, B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, C. Ministry of Home Affairs, D. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Correct answer is D. Question number 24. Which city has launched India's first digital house address project? A. Jaipur, B. Indore, C. Noida, D. Lucknow. Correct answer is B. Question number 25. Which state has launched India's first ever mining tourism initiative? A. Odisha, B. Bihar, C. West Bengal, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is D. Thank you and I hope you like the video.